Just checked my artificial intelligence program. I put all this data in, and it said, well, it was made in 22, the 159th day, and then it said the inspection date was 6/22, and this was some quality control number. Well, that didn't make sense. I mean, inspection date 6/25. So I put back in it, wait a second, you wouldn't inspect it on the same day it was made, you'd inspect it later. And the program came back and said, yeah, that makes more sense. So artificial intelligence is most useful when you already know the answer. Okay, so let's actually really open it now. I'm not sure which is the top, which is the bottom, but I don't think it matters that much. But you can tell it, wow, that's glued on there pretty good, I'll tell you that. Oh, there we go. It looks like I opened it upside down. But we'll still get in it. Okay, so there we have it. Let's see if we can get that down. Okay, let's see what we've got. First one we have is number 22, beef goulash. These are all supposed to be 13 to 24. I could pick the case, but not exactly what was in it. Italian sausages. Beef patty. Chicken burrito. Mexican style chicken stew. Sliced pizza pepperoni. I've tried this once before and it was really bad. Edible but bad. Pork sausage patty. Menu 14, Mexican style rice and bean burrito. Beef patty, so there are some duplicates here. Like I say, I thought there would be 2 of each. Southwest style beans, beef and black beans. That won't be my favorite one. Cheese tortellini in tomato sauce. And our final meal is menu 18, beef ravioli in meat sauce. There we go. These have the, now, I got to address this, I guess, and I got to find out for sure. It says here you can't sell this, but my understanding is that they put that, like for the ones that they sell to consumers, they don't bother to make a new bag. They use the same bag. So it makes it difficult to be able to tell whether this is an official military MRE or it's one made for the public. Because, you know, the people who are selling them for the public want them to look real. So I'm going to have to check into it. Sometimes I believe you can tell by what's actually inside it. So we'll try to do that. It's just interesting taking an inventory of them. I've got 2 of menu 19, which is the, what is that? I think that was the beef patty jalapeno pepper jack steak. Okay, we get 2 of those. I'm going to pull this one out. This will be the first one I'm trying later. So we're missing 12 and 21, whatever they are, and we've got 2 of 19. So in all, we have 12. So there we go. And this should be fun to try out.